In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Gmail density. Fix Today here. Let's begin. First, go to the Gmail website and make sure you're already logged into your account. Once your inbox loads, look at the top right corner of the screen and click the gear icon labeled Settings. This will open the Quick Settings panel on the right side of your screen. Inside the Quick Settings sidebar, locate the section called Density. This option controls how emails are displayed in your inbox and how much space each message takes on the screen. Under the density section, you'll see 3 available options: default, comfortable, and compact. Each option changes how your emails appear in the inbox. Select default if you want the standard Gmail layout. In this view, attachment icons are visible next to emails, and the spacing between messages is balanced for easy reading. If you choose comfortable, Gmail will remove the attachment icons and add a bit more space between each message. This layout can make the inbox feel less crowded and easier to scan. If you select compact, Gmail reduces the space between emails so more messages fit on the screen at once. This option is useful if you want to see the maximum number of emails without scrolling too much. You can try each option one by one to see how the layout changes in real time. As you select each density option, Gmail will automatically update the appearance of your inbox so you can compare the differences and decide which one you prefer. Once you've chosen the layout you want, close the Quick Settings panel by clicking the X at the top of the sidebar or simply clicking anywhere outside the panel. After closing the panel, you'll immediately see the updated layout on your main Gmail dashboard based on the density option you selected. That's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.